Alright, so we complete this assignment. We have the user interface. We have the user interface right here, and that's okay. We have the user interface, and so the two number. This one is txt num1, txt num2. We add together. Then the result will show right here. We're going to start to use our option explicit on, option strict on, and option info off. We add them right now. So now we're going to do another thing is this. When I change the number here, so text change means I change. When I change here, I want this be automatically clear. Okay, so the way we need to do this is follow me right here. So first, not too much. So first, I'm going to click on this. When I click on this, it says text txt number1, right? I want to go to event. All right, so this is property. Visual Studio has so many different functions, so you have to click the right tab. You're going to click on event tab. The most popular event will be highlight for you. Okay, will be highlight for you. So go to the text change. So you double click it, you go to a text change. Let's come right here right now. So it tells you that the text change right now. You want to do something. So we already say when I do text change, so I was do 3, now I change to 5. I want to clear this. I want to clear this. Okay. So can anyone tell me how do I write like that? Can you tell anybody how do I clear this? So first, did you remember? First, I need you to see. Do you remember this label's name right here? Can anyone tell me? It's called what? LBLNs. Is that right? Do I call that? M and TEXT. Okay. Then, and right here, and I am going to what? String the empty. Is that right? All right. So I want to clear. I want to clear. So what does this line mean? I want to clear this. All right. So when I do this one, I probably will do the same thing here. Is that right? So what I'm going to do is this. All right. Instead of this called that, we want to change this name. We want to change this name. So called clear. Sorry. Label. All right. We're going to call clear label. So this is called ClearLabel right now. So this is called procedure, and now it's defined by programmer. It's called independent procedure. Now we are using the original one we modify. In the next chapter, you're going to write one stretch by yourself at the very beginning. Okay? So once you finish that, so I already finished that, and looks what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to click on this one, okay, on this one. And I want to do the same thing. Is that right? So watch, please. I want to do the same thing. This one, I also want to do clear my string. Is that right? But I do this. I click, go to event, and I go text change here, and I done right here. I can select. Did you see it? It's kind of very small. Let me move a little bit up for you to see. Whether you can see right now, tiny small, but you will be able to see the clear label is right here. That's one of the options you can choose. Do you see it? If you see it, I'm going to click it. All right. So when I click it, and then I goes away, and you can see your Visual Studio automatically add the text to that text change for you. So the clear label will do the clear screen for both control, for text number 1 and text number 2. All right. So This is called independent procedure. Okay, it's very important. We need to learn that. Now let's run this program right now. So I'm going to build it. I'm going to start without debugging. All right, so let me run this program right here, and let's see. Let's do 5 plus 6, okay, and add 11, okay. Now I'm going to do this right now. I'm going to clean this. Watch I clean this, okay. I change right now. I'm going to do 10. You see this clear right now. It is clear. All right, so that's 16. If I change this one to 7 and add is 17. All right, so that's the clear label did. One more time. If I change this to 4, it's clear. All right, or I change this to 3 and it's clear. Let me do add, that's 7. I change this to 1 and now add is 5. So it is clear. It is for to allow the user to use this program will be see this clear, easily and clear to understand this. Don't forget, a lot of Visual Basic application are for education, for students to learn science, math, and to different different type of subject, especially this COVID-19 time, and you will realize programmer is very useful if you can develop something to replace a little kid to learn some scientific science information or mathematic thing. So, and because we are at home right now, is that right? So you will take away a lot of parents' burden for them. Okay, so I close this one right now. Then I need you. I finish this assignment. Of this part is mainly talk about how you do the clear label. Clear label. Okay, clear label.